How's it going, everyone? Today I'm making a quick video to show you some new LED bulbs that Auxito sent me. They are for the interior of the 4Runner, the map lights, and I'll show you the difference here between the stock bulbs and the LED bulbs. It's quite a drastic difference. As you can see, the new LED bulbs are significantly brighter than the original stock incandescent bulbs, and they're really easy to install. What you need to do here is push in and then grab a pry tool to get up in here to pry this that way and down while pushing that in. Push in, get your pry tool right up in here, and it pops right out. Now, it is a little bit of a tight spot, so you may need some needle nose pliers to pull out the original bulb, but you just pull it out and plug in the new one. Easy as that. I'll include a link down below if you're interested in getting these bulbs. And also, I do believe they have included a 15% off discount code for you guys. So that will be down below as well. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.